Good day, students. In this workshop, you'll need to navigate to Revit. Workshop 2, I want you to download this folder. So just simply use the download icon over here or click on these dots and you use the download function. So download this information to your machine, open it in OneDrive, okay, wherever it comes down, downloads, wherever. Cut and paste this, put this in a location where you'd like to work. Don't leave it in your downloads, otherwise you're going to swamp your downloads. So I'm just going to paste it on my desktop. So just paste this to your desktop. Then you want to right click, you want to extract this information. So extract this information to a folder where you're going to work. Okay, so extract here. You'll notice that it'll come in as workshop 2. So if you open this up, you should have the required information in this file. Okay. There should be a DWG file that will be here as well, so just double check there should be a DWG file. Okay. Okay, so I've unzipped the file, so just remember there must be a DWG file. We're going to use this in our workshop. So you've got an exercise file, so if you open up the PDF, okay. So this will launch as a PDF. So this is what you'll need to do in Revit for me. You'll have to create a block. There's a whole series of these workshops that we'll have to do, or exercises we're going to have to do. Okay, so have that open and available. The next thing I want you to do is go and open up Revit. Okay, then I just want you to open the project quickly. Okay, so once Revit launches, you'll just have to navigate to where you save this project and open the project. Do not start a new project and use it as a template because it won't allow you to save it as a project. Okay, so straightforward. You'll need to go to open. Do not use the new function. Okay, you'll need to go to open. You'll need to navigate to desktop or wherever you've saved it, workshop 2, and you need to open up the exercise file and you need to click open. Okay, it should automatically open on the desired view. Just remember, I've incorporated another view that you can use to access to look at how this should be put together. But in essence, for now, we're going to focus on the drafting view and we're going to start building our library. Okay.